Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey. We're talking about that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where, guys, the relay for the rear blower motor fan is located, which relay is for that, because your rear blower motor fan does not work, where to buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys. Relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see, like the J-case fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you, those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the rear blower motor fan, guys, where it is located now. Okay, let's go ahead and explain that in this video. If yours doesn't work, always check the fuses for the blower motor fan as well. We'll have the video on our channel. We'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda Odyssey. Fun fact, we have 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll be working in just one of them, luckily, under the hood. And under the hood itself, you have 2 fuse boxes. This is the secondary fuse box. We don't need that one. We need that one right here. If we zoom in a little bit, you can see it. If you open that cover here, you're going to see a fuse box layout just like this one. Now, let's explain which relay we need to check here. But before that, why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the rear blower motor fan relay is located, guys. Let us show you now. I want to show you how they're numbered so you know that in the future, because it will be very convenient if you need to find certain relay. They start like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that last relay right here is actually, guys, relay number 15. That's the one for the rear blower motor fan that you will need to check if yours is not working. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.